I'm Stephanie Prather. I'm one of the founders of Vegan Gastronomy. We're the world's leading vegan and plant-based cooking school based here on the island of Mallorca, Spain. And our overall mission statement is to take veganism mainstream, no longer being on the fringes of society and the world, but making it mainstream. In the past, we used to teach people, students, one by one, and we had an impact. They would go back to their friends and families and cook better for them. But now we actually want to go after top chefs and cooks at traditional hotels and restaurants and help them have a bigger impact because they're the ones who are going to be able to cook for the masses. Let me show you something. There are three vegan restaurants on the island of Mallorca. There are thousands of traditional hotels that have restaurants all over this island. We want to train the chefs of these restaurants, not just the vegan ones anymore. Our specialty is making dishes that were traditionally not vegan and making them vegan. So whether it be your favorite burger, a pizza, or a traditional pantier vegan cheese pie that's been changed and now is something that you can eat that's dairy-free, lactose-free, these traditional mainstream chefs and cooks are the ones that we specialize in training because they have the tools in the background here in the kitchen. They know all the training and how to make the other sauces. They have existing background, and we work with them to take basic off-the-shelf ingredients and to create new and exciting dishes that can keep their current customer base happy and also bring in new customers. So they don't have to go to these fringe vegan restaurants. They can go to their restaurants in their hotels and make more money.